It's Vlogmas! Rudolph, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. And I care about the presents under, about the presents underneath. Ho, ho, ho! Jingle bells, jingle around the block. Morning, guys. How you doing? Today I'm feeling so energized. I could clean up this whole house, and that's in fact exactly what I'm gonna do. I want to clean up my beauty stuff, my brushes, my sponge, my makeup area. I'm gonna clean that up right now. Then I'm gonna sort out my jewelry because I have this little tiny but packed jewelry case that's like hideous now. It has jewelry as old as like 10 years in it. Some of them are rusted, some of them are just awful. So I'm gonna clean that out. I guess I'm gonna have to go buy a new jewelry box, the ones that have the organizers, so I could put the bracelets on one side, the necklaces on the other side, the rings, etc., etc., and just organize. So come with me. Okay, I'm gonna let that soak for like 10 minutes and come back to. So I'm gonna add a bit of fabric softener to my brushes now that they're like rinsed and stuff. Just to keep them soft. Okay. Just to keep the bristles really soft. Okay, then I'll leave them to air dry. Okay, I'll just leave those to dry. Okay, so here I have this really old miscellaneous jewelry box, and I'm about to get sorted. So let's see what we can keep, what we have to throw away, and what we can rescue. I got two empty little containers here just to make the sorting out easier. Oh, this is like an old Ferrero Rocher box, actually. Really good and really handy for like jewelry. So first I'll make a pile of things I still want, so what I'm keeping, Next, I'll make a pile of what I'm tossing. And I guess that's it. I'm not gonna give old jewelry away. I feel like that's super weird. I wouldn't want to receive old jewelry, so I don't want anyone else to receive old jewelry. So yeah, basically 2 piles to keep and to throw. The final results: the junk pile, the keepers pile, the miscellaneous pile, and the dirt. Car wash things. I love it. So cool. Thank you, sir. Clean up properly. Clean my baby well, okay? Oh, this is so fun to be inside while they clean it. It's always been like a thing of mine since childhood. Doesn't this water container jug thing look like arsenic or something chemical or lethal? This is where Woolies serves their water. How funny. What is sake?
It's Japanese alcohol.
Okay, I wasn't going for that. I was going for chemicals because I'm a chemist and I work in a lab. And these look like what chemicals come in. But anyway. Who wants underwear? Boxers, men's shirts. Amatosas. Hey.
Which pink shop that you say that we need to go to? Because I see sorbet there.
I don't need sorbet except I got a birthday voucher, so I'm gonna go
Not for
to.
you. Not everything is for. Not for you. For my sister-in-law.
Clicks.
Said we. Okay. I think like 100.
Bam! It's so fun shopping with you because you're hilarious.
I'm glad that you enjoy. Enjoying
You're
yourself.
creating people just so that you can buy more. Oh, I have 3 brothers. Oh, I have 4 now. How many are they?
3.
So who's the 4th one for?
Oh, yeah, actually 4.
There you go again. Ah.
Okay.
Leather. Ooh, sounds fancy.
What's the price range on this one?
2007 for 100 moles, and then for 50 moles it's 1,009.
I want to take a
going
picture of this one.
My phone is just off so that I can chat with him. So, but this is too.
He's getting out of hand. Sorry. Dolce and Gabbana. Bulgari. C'est quel que je cherche? Which? Oh, they're going this side. Zadig. That lady million, or the 1 million.
It's like 900.
Is like?
900.
Yeah, since we.
Which one? But the loose is also.
This is also nice. But I like this one because of the warmth also of the powder.
Yeah. Decisions. And then BB creams are like really light foundations, right? I know. I like a full coverage.
Yeah. So it's better.
I'm getting more of the pre-cleanse makeup remover. Got it. So you want to try the chair challenge? Go ahead. 2 steps back.
So against the wall,
Yeah.
do I?
Back 2, 1, and 2, and then feet together. And then your head needs to touch the wall. And then try and pick up that chair to your chest, and then get up.
This is very interesting.
Are you stuck? That's hilarious.
This is very interesting.
Try it. Okay. So feet together. 1, 2, and then head touching the wall. And then I pull the chair to my chest, and I get up. I can do it!
Wow.
So girls can do it and guys can't.
Why is that so then?
Because your center of gravity is either higher or lower. I'm not sure which one.
Huh.
But I think it would be higher. So then it lets you not be able to, because for us it grounds us. I think ours is lower. You know what they say? If you eat in a pan, You'll have rain on your wedding day. And you'll have bad luck.
I'm not gonna have some rain on my wedding day.
Well,
Relaxes me. I used to play a lot into the
not
rain.
that kind of rain, like a storm. Like a
Oh,
tsunami.
no, we don't want that. And the guests are not going to enjoy themselves.
Wild and Out. This show always reminds me of Pulani because she loves it. And it's because of her that I started watching it. What? Almost forgot to get my Advent stuff today. So let's get 16. It's twins again! They always know when you're here. Wow. Okay. You and your juju? 16 is here. Do what makes your soul shine. Okay. Well, what makes my soul shine is expensive stuff. Like travel and shopping. And it's another nail polish. Really, really, really? Okay. Okay. Or 16. Hello, down here. Okay. Okay. Here you go.
Oh, triplets.
Yeah.
Oh, which one do you want?
No, I'll have mine tomorrow because I already brushed my teeth.
So then we can have them together. I can have one now, and we can have one tomorrow.
Okay, just leave them on the table then.
Okay.
Okay. Good night. Toodles. Yeah. Well, for the vlog, I'm closing off the vlog.
Ah, okay.
Say good night.
Good night.
Bye. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.